Welcome guys back to Mama Joan house where it's hot. And when I said hot, you know what I mean? It's Scotch bonnet pepper hot. Guys, today I'm doing a little video for you, and it's just a simple little video. Today I'm going to make some salmon, and then after the salmon, when I done do the salmon, I'm gonna make some peach sauce to go with the salmon. So here I have my vegetable and my peach, so that's what I'm gonna use to make the sauce for the salmon. So guys, I washed the salmon already, clean up already, so it just need to season up now. The seasoning that I'm gonna put on it. So what I'm gonna put on it, guys, I'm gonna use some garlic plus all seasoning. Yeah, so this is what I'm gonna use to season the fish. Okay, so I sprinkled some of that on my fish. Okay, just pat it in and let it sit for a little bit. So I'm gonna let this sit a bit, you know, and get the seasoning soak into it, so that when it's done, I tell you, it's going to be ready. So guys, before I get any further into this video, you know, I want you guys to like it, subscribe it, and hit that post notification belly things of mine. And as I said again, guys, I want to thank you guys so much for letting me reach that milestone of 100k subscriber, guys. Thank you from the bottom of Mama Joan heart, because without you guys, Mama Joan won't get there. So I'm making this nice little special salmon dish for you guys. And guys, it's a very easy dish that I'm making, so I'm gonna show you how to do the sauce that I'm gonna make for the fish. So guys, as you can see right now, my oil hot, but not Scotch bonnet pepper hot, you know, fire hot. You know the way there. So now what you do, as me say, see when I fry some salmon, the first thing when I do when I fry the fish, just put 2 peg of garlic in the hot oil. So you remember that I put 2 peg of garlic, you see that? 2 peg of zoom. 2 peg of garlic. Follow me over here, so. So I'm gonna drop 2 peg of garlic in my oil. See, my oil is ready, and it's nice to have some garlic in the pot when you fry the fish, because I really know the fish said not to top the wall of the house. You know what I'm saying? You know, it's just that aroma will come from the garlic when it's fried in the oil before you put in the fish, guys. So guys, I'm gonna get my salmon. Okay, I'm gonna put my salmon in my oil and give this a fry. Give this a fry. So that is one. The oil could only put hotter still, but it's still good. 2. For 3 pieces. Okay. So that's the first 3 pieces, guys. So guys, I'm gonna make this fry. So while this is frying, I'm gonna set up my pot for my sauce. Okay guys, now I'm doing my peach. So this is my peach for my sauce. Peach looks so wonderful, you know, but it can still work. It can still work, you know. That will still work for me. That will still work, because in the process we are going to cook it. We're going to cook up this peach here. Some like to make the sauce. But you see, with this, we use 1 fresh peach. And then I have, you can also use canned peach. The canned peach good too, you know, because the canned peach have that nice, like a nice sour, soury taste. We make the fish, but good for the fish. So it's 2 peach, 1 fresh peach and a can, and 1 from the can. So I have a can of peach, and I'm just taking 1 of the peach from the can, which is 2/2. So guys, now I'm gonna make my peach sauce. So I use about 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Alright. So that's my butter and my sugar. So this, guys, this is a nice peach sauce I'm making. Okay? And I'm gonna show you how to make this sauce. And this sauce is nice on fish, chicken, or anything, because it's nice even when you have rice, and pour it over the rice as a gravy. So guys, I'm getting the peach, pour it in the pot, the peach and the veggies here. We'll cook this down a bit, okay guys? So when it done cook down, I'm going to show you the next step. But this have to cook down a bit. Guys, look at it. Look how pretty it looks. It's so delicious. It looks so gorgeous, so beautiful, so nice and colorful. It's just a pity that all of this is gonna perrier and turn into a nice sauce. I'm gonna perrier my cooking, my veggie and my peach. These now, I'm gonna perrier this to make the sauce, and then we're gonna go back on the stove again. Ooh. Let's see, let me produce here. Okay. So guys, this is my sauce. See guys, so it will go back into the pot, and it's gonna go back on the stove for about another, say another 10 minutes. I'm going to give it another 10 minutes. So look at it. See? Okay. So I'm gonna put a little Thai chili sauce. Thai chili sauce. I'm gonna put some of that in this. Let's put this back on the fire. Put some Thai chili sauce in there. Some Thai chili sauce in that. I'm going to put some chipotle mango seasoning. Sprinkle some of that in the sauce. And then I'm going to put a teaspoon of paprika. Teaspoon of paprika. Teaspoon, yeah, 1 teaspoon of paprika. Alright. Then I'm going to give this a stir. This a stir. This sauce, it make you wanna slap your papa. There is no slapping your mama. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is nice, sweet. Have that nice, sweetish, sourish little taste from the canned peach. Just one peach out of the can. Yep. You know what guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of ketchup in there, like a tablespoon of ketchup. A tablespoon of ketchup, yeah, to say. And I'm gonna put a little water. Just a little water. Or if you have chicken stock, I don't have any up here with me, and I'm not going downstairs to get it, so I use a little water. So guys, you're gonna come with me now. I'm gonna make some lemon, because you need the lemon. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do some lemon. This wash already, wash it already. Let me slice up some lemon. Can't have salmon without some lemon. lemon. Lemon is good for you. So guys, look at the sauce. It's ready. So it just pour another pot over the fish. Scrape out every bit of sauce. I scrape out every bit of sauce out of the pot. You see the pot? See? All the sauce have to go with the fish. So now, put the sauce. I'm gonna get a spoon and put the sauce over the fish. Cover on top of the fish because I put my oven on boil, and I'm gonna put it in the oven for 15 minutes so the sauce can just soak into the fish while it's in the oven. Okay, now dress it up with my lemon because you need your lemon. Some lemon. This is some fresh dry parsley, some fresh parsley, so kind of cut it up so it kind of dry. You just sprinkle your thing over your thingy. So we're gonna put this in the oven now, leave it open for 15 minutes. Okay,
5 minutes later.
So guys, this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna serve this now with some rice. So this is what Papa R is gonna eat and Cyan for them dinner today. So there you go. So there you go guys. This is my salmon that I serve with some rice with my peach sauce. So this is my peach sauce and my salmon with my rice. So guys, I would like you guys to comment below on stuff that you like me to make, you know, because I can make every kind of food, not just Jamaican food. You know, I can turn my hand and make fashion. I can turn my hand and make fashion with any kind of meal. Okay guys, so guys, this is a nice dish, so I want you guys to try this salmon. It's very easy. The peach that I used to make the sauce with the bell pepper and the onion, guys, it's delicious. It's a nice sauce. It's nice and it just go good with the salmon. So guys, please try and make it and let me know if you guys enjoyed it. So guys, I come to the end of my little presentation here with my cooking my peach salmon. So I would like you to like it, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell thing of mine, so that as we the people them say, you know, miss a post when I post something. Okay guys, alright, so I will see you in the next video guys. Bye.